Hello bachcho, let's have a look at this question which says a firework gave bright crimson light. It probably contained a salt of. The options are calcium, barium, strontium or magnesium. So out of these elements we have to identify the one whose salt or probably whose ion gave the bright crimson light. The key concept is emission of colors by ions. तो पहले हम ये समझ लेते हैं कि emission of color कैसे होता है. तो एक एटम assume कर लेते हैं. Okay, the center has a nucleus और ये दो इसमें atomic orbitals हैं. Okay, let's say an electron is present in the first shell. Okay, electron is present in the first shell. अब इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को अगर सेकेंड शेल में एक्साइट करना है तो इसके लिए इसको एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, राइट? तो इट विल absorb energy E, which will be equal to hc by mu. So this energy will be absorbed, okay, and the electron will excitation of electron will occur and it will move to a higher energy orbital. Okay, now the electron is present in this shell. Okay, अब let's say when it will move back to the ground state, तो जितने energy इसने absorb की थी, it has to release that energy, right? तो it will release the same energy hc by lambda. It was lambda here also, hc by lambda. Okay, so it will release that energy and move back to the ground state. Now the electron will again move back to its original state, that was orbital, first orbital. Okay, तो एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब की एक्साइटेशन के लिए और जब वापस ग्राउंड स्टेट में वो मूव किया इलेक्ट्रॉन तो उसने उतनी ही एनर्जी रिलीज कर दी. ओके, तो जो एनर्जी रिलीज हुई है, द एनर्जी रिलीज्ड, that energy correspond to a particular wavelength. Okay, वो एक पर्टिकुलर वेवलेंथ की एनर्जी होती है बिकॉज एक स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी ही एब्जॉर्ब होती है, तो वो जब रिलीज होगी दैट विल करस्पॉन्ड टू अ पर्टिकुलर वेवलेंथ, जिसकी वजह से दिस विल thus emit light of particular color और स्पेसिफिक कलर की लाइट emit होती है. So this is the phenomena of emission of color by ions. इसी तरह से जब fireworks explode होते हैं तो वो गैस रिलीज करते हैं, their electrons are excited और जब वो वापस ground state में back आएंगे, वो वापस ground state में आएंगे, then they will emit a specific color. तो अब हम ये देखते हैं कि ऑप्शंस में से कौन सा करेक्ट ion है that will give bright crimson light. So a salt of calcium will emit a light of orange color. Okay, calcium is associated with orange color flame. So it is not the correct answer. Second option, which is barium. Barium emits or associated with green color. Third is strontium. Strontium emit a bright crimson light. Last option, magnesium. Magnesium produces a very bright white light. Okay, so we have seen the ion which will produce a bright crimson light is strontium. A firework gave bright crimson light. It probably contained a salt of strontium. I hope you understood it well. Thank you and best of luck.